How to delete a YouTube video on your YouTube channel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete a YouTube video on your YouTube channel. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the YouTube app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just scroll down and there you'll see the option labeled as your videos. So just tap on it. And now here in this section, you'll see all the videos that you have posted on your YouTube channel. Now here, to delete the YouTube videos from your YouTube channel, you can just tap on three dot icon beside the YouTube video, or here once you tap on it, a drop down menu will appear. In this menu, you can just tap on this option that says delete and confirm it by tapping on delete again. And now here, once you do that, the videos will be removed from your YouTube channel. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.